your first steps. At this point, make sure that the motor display is turned off. If necessary, press the on-off button for 2 seconds to turn it off. The gearbox display must show a cyclist on the mountain position. Put your feet on the pedals, your hands on the grips, and start pedaling slowly, going straight. Be careful not to pedal with the tips of your feet or knees apart. Make your first maneuvers and turn around, turning the handlebar completely first to the right and then to the left. Unlike a bike, you don't need to lean your body when you turn. Just turn the handlebar flat. Bypass your first obstacle. Now stop and push the lock button. Learn how to use the motor. We will do the same circuit again, but this time we will turn on the motor on the first mode. Turn on the motor by pressing 2 seconds on the on-off button. Then, press the plus button once to select the mode number 1. With the motor turned on, you will notice that pedaling is easier. But this first level of electric assistance does not allow you to go faster than 6 or 7 km per hour. Now stop and press the lock button. Motor mode number 2. We'll do the same circuit again, but this time with a more powerful assistance mode. Press the plus button once again to select the mode of assistance number 2. Here we go again. Try again some maneuvers. You will notice that you can go faster than in mode 1. And driving requires even less effort. Now stop and press the lock button. Motor mode number 3. We will do the same circuit again, but this time with the most powerful assistance mode. Press the plus button once again to select the mode of assistance number 3. Try to pedal as fast as you can on a straight line. You will notice that even when pedaling as fast as you can, without any effort, you are unable to gain speed and drive relatively slowly. Furthermore, the motor is noisy. This is the very sign that you should shift the gear. Learn how to shift the gear. Start again and pedal as fast as you can. Then, stop pedaling. Give a half turn with the rotary handle. Then, start again pedaling faster and faster. Stop pedaling again. Give a half turn with the rotary handle. Keep pedaling and stop. The gearbox display now shows a cyclist icon in a flat position. Learn how to restart after shifting gear. When the gearbox display shows a cyclist icon in a flat position, starting pedaling is very difficult. It's normal. Try to turn the rotary handle in order to return to the mountain position. You will notice that it hangs in an intermediary position. You cannot go beyond. Be careful and do not force. When you are stopped, you only have access to 50% of the range of the rotary handle. We'll see how to get around this constraint later. In this configuration, starting pedaling is still a bit difficult. But don't worry, we will try again. This time, turn the rotary handle from the intermediary position to the mountain position. Starting pedaling is so easy now. Learn how to downshift before stopping. Be careful, this is a key step. It avoids the constraint of not being able to 100% downshift when stopped. Switch the gears as usual by turning the rotary handle up to a flat mode. At this moment, you anticipate a stop. Here is the procedure. At the same time as you brake with the left hand, fully turn the rotary handle with the right hand to return to the mountain position. Then, finish braking by braking with the right hand. Downshifting before you stop must become a reflex. Please practice several times until it becomes an automatism. End of part 2.